Houston Wheel Repair. This Lexus, we're gonna paint the wheels all the way gloss black. The young lady had black chrome on her wheels. Everyone know how expensive black chrome is. So instead of re-dipping the wheel in chrome, she's gonna black out these wheels. However, the process of removing black chrome is very, very strenuous. First, you have to burn all the chrome off. So when we lay the gloss powder coat, they'll all be very, very smooth. Now these are the black chrome wheels. We have to burn it off in order for it to be flush. The finished product, Houston Wheel Repair. The chrome wheels, black chrome wheels that we powder coated black. Here's the finished product. Car looks great. Houston Wheel Repair. We are the best.